Hey, welcome to the first Tech to Make project video. Today we're going to take a look at a solar-powered Raspberry Pi camera that I'm going to set up for taking pictures at the lot where we're going to build a house. So to start off with, we've got a solar panel, a project box. This is where we're going to build the camera in. We're just going to put the camera in the side. Inside of this is also going to be 2 batteries. And then to mount this, I built the stand, which we'll put into the tree. So we'll put the solar panel here, and you can see it, but the tub will go here with the camera and all of the electronics inside of it. So we're going to get a lot more detailed about the box, Raspberry Pi, building that piece out, the camera, how we cut the hole, that sort of thing, as well as the solar panel and calculations on that. For now, I'm just kind of working on the stand. I'm going to drill some holes, mount the solar panel, and then we'll be back. So taking a closer look at our solar panel, this is a Renogy solar panel that I got. It's a 100-watt model, and it's actually a kit. So you can buy these as just the panel by themselves or with the charge controller and wiring with it. So this one came with the charge controller. So you'll plug the solar panel in here, the batteries here, and then your load there. So this will keep, make sure that the batteries don't get overcharged and that sort of thing. Now when I calculated this out, I calculated that I'd only actually need about 35 watts of power. But I decided to go with a 100-watt panel. And the reason that I did that is the lot where we're at is still fairly wooded. So in the winter, we're going to get a lot of sun, but in the summer, we're going to get a lot less. So by going with the larger panel, I'm going to end up with more likelihood that I'll actually get the batteries and keep them charged. So you can see the panel, nothing too spectacular about it. So what we're going to end up doing is it comes with holes along the edges. And the way that we're going to mount this is we're just going to mount these 4 holes, attach them with some bolts to our mount, and that should be it. So let's get to that. So this is the top side of our mount, or what we're going to attach to the tree. So we're actually going to put the panel right here. So I'm just going to drill some holes to match the mounting holes here. Then we'll end up with it in the tree just like this. So these are about 1 inch down from the top. So we're just going to drill. So that the camera can see out. We're then going to have to figure out a way to mount it onto our platform so that it's not just sitting there. But for now, we've got the first step, which is our platform. We're gonna leave that here for a couple of days to see how it does. I need to let the wood dry out, and then we're gonna try to paint it a little, make it a little more hardy to the weather. The next videos will be all about the Raspberry Pi and how we're going to connect it to the solar system and the programming for the camera and kind of next steps. So anyway, thanks for watching.